VA has officially reversed course on the interim medication rule. Just 10 days after amending 38 CFR Section 4.10, VA rescinded the interim final rule in its entirety. Here's some background in case you missed it. On February 27th, VA published a final rule in the Federal Register formally rescinding the February 17th amendment to Section 4.10 and restoring the prior regulatory text. The rescission is effective immediately. This means that the regulation now reads exactly as it did before the February 17th amendment. Compensation and pension examiners or VA examiners are no longer directed to rate disabilities based on how a condition functions with medication. So in plain language, we are back to the pre-February 17th regulatory text. VA has since explained that it issued the interim final rule to clarify existing policy and to protect veterans' benefits in light of ongoing court action. But VA also acknowledged that many stakeholders construed the rule as potentially resulting in adverse consequences. To maintain trust and preserve stability in adjudications, VA says, it rescinded the rule effective immediately. In doing so, VA invoked the good cause exception under 5 U.S.C. Section 553, which is part of the Administrative Procedures Act, to bypass notice and comment for the rescission. VA stated that leaving the interim rule in place during a longer rulemaking process could undermine confidence in the benefit system. So what should practitioners and veterans be thinking about now? This rescission does not mean that the issue is fully settled once and for all. There is still active litigation related to how medication should factor into disability ratings. So courts may continue addressing those questions going forward. But the bottom line, at least for now, is that medication does not currently alter disability ratings by regulation under the rescinded framework. The February 17th rule is no longer in effect. The prior and unchanged version of 38 CFR Section 4.10 controls.